Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Kia Soul spark plug, easy method. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and letting the engine cool before you work. Confirm you have the correct spark plugs, a socket, extension, and a torque wrench. Keep replacement plugs clean and gapped correctly, and organize removed parts to avoid confusion. Safety first. Gloves and glasses protect your hands and eyes during the job. Gather tools and parts before you begin so the job goes smoothly and you stay safe. Verify the exact spark plug model and gap, then lay out your socket, extension, and torque wrench. Keep a clean rag and magnet nearby for dropped fasteners, and use dielectric grease on ignition boots for better seals. Anti-seize can help threads, but use it sparingly to avoid over-torquing when you install new plugs. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it funny how it finds crumbs under the seat while you change plugs. It's a small luxury that saves time and keeps your workspace tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work one cylinder at a time to prevent mixing up coils and wires and to keep track of parts. Unplug the coil pack, remove its bolt, and lift it straight out to access the plug. Extract the old plug using a magnetized socket, check the gap on the new plug, and thread it by hand to avoid cross-threading. Finally, torque each plug to spec and reconnect the coils securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.